Dr. Music has made a difference in my life because when you're able to live pain-free, you just have a better quality of life.
I think that Dr. Music is a wonderful person, and what I like most about him is he's very sincere.
He can talk to you on a professional level, or he can break it down even easier in terms that anybody basically can understand.
Yeah, after like 2 adjustments with you, I was able to play a game without even taping them.
Probably my biggest passion is to communicate with people and to study in detail the human body. I really enjoy going to seminars, discussing different ways of helping sick people get well.
Take a deep breath, and go all the way out and drop your shoulders.
When I was about 15 years old, I went deaf, and they wanted to do operations on my ears and do different things, and my parents took me to the chiropractor, got an adjustment, and 2.5 hours after the adjustment, my hearing came back 100%. That is what sparked me into chiropractic.
Bring it up a little bit and drop. There we go. Very good.
I've been in practice since 1986, about almost 23 years now, and my practice consists of full spine adjusting with the Endonasal system. I also work on extremities. I work on toes and feet and ankles and knees and fingers and wrists. Many patients find that they sleep shorter times and have more restful sleep. Did you feel that happened to you last night? I specialize in specific Gonstead chiropractic adjusting, which is a very difficult technique to learn, very difficult to apply, but it gets results the quickest. So what we're doing here is we're making sure your sacrum is moving. I also specialize in sports injuries, working on the extremities, and also not a very well-known technique called balloon-assisted cranial adjusting, which is fantastic work that has saved my life on 2 different occasions. What we're doing here is starting to untwist her facial bones. Her face twists to the left. What the work does is with a small endonasal balloon is inserted into the nasal pharynx just behind the nostril and inflated by hand, about 2 or 3 pumps to adjust or unlock the cranial plates, to allow the cranial bones to respire, to expand and contract, and to allow this brain fluid to flow naturally, normally, to allow the brain to work normally, to allow the body to work normally. So how's the sciatica?
It hurts once in a while, but I know that when I walk...
I wake up every morning just excited to get to the office and see the progress of my patients and the challenges that they give to me. The new patients coming in, trying to figure out how to fix them. It's like detective work. Let's take a look at your back.
Okay.
See? Sit straight. My secret to my success in my practice is communication with my patients, listening to them, what they have to say. Because a lot of times when you listen to a patient, they'll tell you what's wrong with them, and that's how you fix them. I also study with the best doctors in the world, #1 doctors, and when I have a problem with my patients, I will call them up, I will send x-rays, sometimes I will call a doctor in for a second opinion. So my biggest concern with my practice is my patients. I focus on those patients.
Is there any other differences in the way you do them now versus the last time I did it?
There have been a few changes. We use coconut oil now instead of aloe vera.
Okay.
I always felt that referral was the best way to obtain another chiropractor, or any type of doctor. Is referral of a patient that's satisfied, no matter how far away that doctor might be. If you get a good referral from someone, that has always been the best way to find another doctor. Okay, if you have any questions or problems tonight, just give me a call on the phone. As your wellness chiropractor, you can be certain that I will take good care of you and your family members and keep you healthy for the rest of your life.
He gets very involved with his patients and he cares about them. That's why I love the guy.
I knew he would treat me as an individual.
If you're having issues with your back, with your joints, with your neck, then Dr. Music is my wellness chiropractor of choice.